Hello loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a haul to share with you. This is from a Destash from my crafty friend Gina. I will put her info below so you can check out her channel. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out all the little goodies I was able to buy from her Destash. First thing I want to show you is this one, this little cute stamp. Wow, that's actually real nice in person. But look at that. Look how cute he is. Cute, cute, cute. And it does come with some sentiments in there. Love it. It's actually real nice. So I got that one for the first one. And I got this dash specifically for these cuteness right here. I saw this, I was like, oh yeah, I had to have that. So here goes the next one with the little boy fishing with his dog, and there's a frog and of course a fish, and it does have the sentiment best pals. It's real nice. I like that. I've never seen these dies, so yeah, that's actually a real good dies. I mean dies, good stamps. Okay, and then here's another one. This one has this little picture of a bear, and it does have some sentiments on there. And of course I didn't put my glasses on because I forgot. But I know that says Grandma, Nana, and then some others which I can't really make out. But yeah, look how cute that is. That is real cute. So love that one. Love, love, love. So the next one here is the little couple. I like this one. So that's really cute. Real nice. Love it. And these I believe are rubber stamps for the most part. And then here goes this. Oh, look at this cuteness. Even has a pie. Love, love, love. Real nice. That's real cute also. The next one here is Panda. Look at that. This is a Christmas one. Wow, this is real pretty. Nothing but cuteness. Cute, cute, cute. That's another one. And then here goes a girl in her book. And I love the kitten. Love it. That is so cute. The next one here is another one. Look at this cuteness. Wow, that is pretty. Love, love, love. I'm going to have fun with these. Okay, the next one I have here. This is a couple. Oh, that is so cute. That's real pretty. The young, lovely. And of course, I can't read that part. No glasses. But I love it. And the stamps are a real good size. Let me give you an example. Look at that. Look how good size that is. That's real nice. Real nice. That's the next one. Then here you got this one. Look at the kitten. Oh, I love this one. I like the little rusky animals. I know Tim Holtz got some of them. A lot of people have it. Even all and Create has one of the little funny cats, dogs. Love it. I love it. And then here goes the other one. How cute are these? Even have the little doggy there too, with his own little donut. Cute, cute, cute. And then this is the other one. The little boy and his bunny. Love it. I love CC designs. Here's this one. Look at that. A nice winter card. Wow, that is pretty. Love it. Then here's this one, like the little scarecrow. I saw these ones here in the beginning, and I knew I needed the kit. I knew I needed the Destash. That the little scarecrow boy. I love Halloween, so yeah. I needed that in my life. Now look at this. This one here, Devilish Nancy. How cute is she? Wow, look at that. So cute. Next one here is from Lawn Fawn. And this is a Christmas one. And it does have 2 sentiments. I love their stamps. They have a lot of cuteness. That's that one. And here's this one here. The happy birthday one. Love it. Look at that. How cute is that? And I also have Life is Sweet, Time for Tea. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, this is sentiments. Real nice. Next one here is a fox. Oh, this is from Whimsy Stamps. There's another brand that I do love also. I love their stamps. They got real nice ones. That's a cute one. And here's this one of a girl. Oh, she's pretty. Real pretty. I like this. Look at that. It does have some sentiments. Real nice. Love it. And look at this one. He's dressed as almost like a bat vampire. Love it, love it. That's real nice. And with I'm starting to craft Halloween, so those will come in handy. Then look at this cuteness. Peace on Earth. And she's a little angel. Love it. You know what? I think I got some Christmas. Not a lot of Christmas. But she makes a good addition to my stash. And then I have another one here. They look like 2 best friends. How cute is that? I'm going to love coloring these. Real nice. Love it. And then we have a Valentine one with a skunk. I love this one because it reminds me of Pepe Le Pew. He's actually one of my favorites. Even though he drove the cat crazy, I do love it. Look at that. How cute is he? And then this is another one. This is a Lawn Fawn. You usually can tell because theirs are small and they always got a lot of cuteness. Oh, look at that one. It does have some sentiments. Love, love, love. And then look at this cutie patootie, the little robot. How cute is he? Look at that. Cuteness. And then the little mummy and his dog. Love it. Love, love, love. And then the Santa, the Christmas one. Santa Lulu. Love, love, love. These are also good to make ephemera pieces. Oh, look at this one. She's zooming on a little light bulb for Christmas. Love it. Love, love, love. And then here goes another CC design, and this one is Miss Roselli with roses. Oh, look how cute she is. Love it. The next one I have here is some sentiments. Money can't buy happiness, but it can buy craft supplies, and that's pretty close. Actually, amen to that. That is true. Love it, love it, love it. Here's another one. There's a bear. There's flowers. Love, love, love. Look how big he is. That's real nice. I do love these. Then I have another one. A smile sentiments. This is real nice. Love it. So you got the big smile, and then you just add these to that. Love, love, love. I have another one here. There's another one, a sentiments on autumn, when autumn comes. Oh wow, these actually, I like these. So you got different ones. You got autumn, hayride, Labor Day weekend. You do have Halloween, boo, fall colors. Real nice. Love it. Love, love, love. And then here's another one. This is a Crafter's Companion. And this is also sentiments. And then we have these here. How nice is that? Wow, these are pretty. Crafting Companion sure does have a lot of nice things. I do say that. And then another one I have here. Let me put it on the back of. Let's see this one. Some sentiments, and this one's a big one. Look at that. Look at that. So you got friends and family. Look how nice that is. Friendship. Oh, I love these. Love, love, love. We got sentiments, and they're huge. They're not tiny. That one. And then the last thing that I got from the Destash is another sentiment. And look at all these. You have a heart of gold. You make me crazy happy. You're too awesome to be sick. Love you. Love always wins. You are my happy with sympathy. Love, love, love. Oh, this was a good dish stash. So yeah, this Gina, love it all. Love, love, love. And you'll be happy to know they will be at they'll be cherished and at a good home, because I will be happy to use all of it. But yeah, I'll leave her info below. She does do Destash, and she does hauls. I love her. She's my crafty friend. So go ahead and go and show some support. Go ahead and subscribe to her channel if you haven't already. But yeah, I love it all. Love, love, love. So with that, Make sure to leave a comment if you have a comment. Subscribe if you haven't, because I sure love to have you. And hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.